Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I had to get out here early. What time is it? It's about 10 o'clock, 10:15. It's about 10:15 in the morning. I had to get out early. Got a busy day today, so I had to make a sacrifice and get out the house early. What's good with you? What's today? Today is Friday. TGIF. TGIF. Get out here raking leaves or blowing leaves. Got out here blowing leaves. Hope everybody is ready for the weekend. Favorite day for me today. Oh, shout out to the Yukon Huskies, the ladies play today. The ladies play today at the Mohegan Sun. God had to stop this top care. Landscaping business. Oh, back to UConn. Yeah, UConn played today. They got 8 o'clock tonight at the Mohegan Sun. Be there or be square. Anyway, hope everybody have a good weekend. Save some money. Spend time with your loved ones. Be nice to people. Eat healthy. Save some money. Make yourself useful and spend your time wisely. Don't get too drunk. Don't get too high. It's wintertime here in Connecticut. Got on my gloves. Relax a little bit. Rejuvenate. Find peace within yourself. And peace within others. Be kind to people. Surprise someone. Do something nice today. A lot of us are stuck in our ways, and we are who we are, and we think everything is perfect our way, but sometimes it's not. I'm not sure if I'm going all the way downtown. I just need to get my 4,000 steps in for the day. That's my goal every day, 4,000 steps. Because if I go all the way, I'll be wasting time. I'm not sure if I have time to waste today. Anyway, you guys enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. I will holla at you guys later.